Have you ever wanted more plants without spending a dime? Today, I'm going to show you how to take cuttings from scratch, what they are, how to do it the right way, and how to care for them so they actually survive. Stick around until the end, because there's a super common mistake that almost everyone makes. What is a cutting? A cutting is a piece of a plant, a stem, leaf, or root that's removed to grow an entirely new plant identical to the original. It's basically plant cloning. There are three main types: stem cuttings, which are the most common, leaf cuttings, ideal for succulents, and root cuttings, used for woody plants. What you'll need. Before we get started, make sure you have everything ready. A sharp knife or scissors disinfected with rubbing alcohol, a glass of water or some moist growing medium, rooting hormone, optional but highly recommended, and a plastic bag or cut bottle to create a mini greenhouse effect. Rooting hormone can boost your success rate by up to 70%. No rooting hormone? You can use aloe vera gel or cinnamon powder as a natural alternative. Step by step, how to take a cutting. Step 1. Choose a healthy stem from the mother plant. No flowers, no pests. About 4 to 6 inches long. Step 2. Make your cut just below a node at a diagonal angle using your disinfected knife. The diagonal cut increases the surface area for water absorption. Step 3. Remove the leaves from the lower third of the stem. Just keep 2 or 3 leaves at the top. Step 4. Dip the moist base into your rooting hormone. Step 5. Place the cutting in water or moist growing medium, whichever you prefer. Both methods work, and I'll walk you through the differences in a moment. Never leave leaves below the water line. They'll rot and contaminate the water. Only the bare stem should be submerged. Water versus soil. Which should you choose? A lot of people ask me, is it better to root in water or in soil? With water, you can actually watch the roots grow, which is incredibly satisfying. But there may be a bit of transplant shock when you move it to soil later. With a growing medium, the transition is smoother and the roots tend to be stronger, but you won't be able to see the progress. My recommendation: if you're a beginner, start with water. If you already have some experience, try perlite or a peat mix. How to care for your cutting. Once your cutting is in place, proper care is everything. Light. Keep it somewhere with bright, indirect light. Direct sun will burn it. Humidity. Cover it with a plastic bag or bottle for the first 10 days to create a greenhouse effect. Temperature. Anywhere between 64 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Patience. The first roots usually appear between 1 and 4 weeks depending on the plant. Don't move it around or overwater it. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to take a cutting, what materials you'll need, and how to care for it so it grows into a beautiful plant. Let me know in the comments, which plant are you going to propagate first? If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening guides. And don't forget to check out our blog, where you'll find in-depth articles on plant genetics, full growing guides, and so much more. See you next time!